ready to unlock the true potential of Solana and dive into the world of DeFi. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Phantom Wallet, your gateway to the Solana ecosystem in just 90 seconds. First, let's make sure you have Phantom Wallet installed on your browser. If not, head to Phantom app and follow the simple installation instructions for Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Edge. Now receiving SOL is easy. Just click the deposit button on the main screen, where you can either copy your wallet address or scan the QR code to send SOL. Click the send button, enter the recipient's Solana address, specify the amount, confirm the transaction details, and click send again. Remember to always double check the recipient address to avoid any mistakes. Now let's navigate to staking. Click the middle icon at the bottom to get to the staking screen and stake your SOL to contribute to the network's security and earn rewards. Choose a validator from the list. Remember to research validators and compare their performance. Enter the amount of SOL you want to stake and confirm the transaction. Phantom really shines when it comes to interacting with Solana dApps. When you visit a dApp website, Phantom will automatically detect it and ask for permission to connect. Simply approve the connection, and you'll be able to seamlessly interact with the dApp, whether it's trading tokens on Radium, borrowing on Solana, or anything else Solana has to offer. Finally, familiarize yourself with the settings menu, where you can adjust security preferences, manage your connected dApps, and more. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore the exciting world of Solana with Phantom Wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Solana deep dives.